Hello dear students, welcome back to my SQL Server playlist. Dear students, प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने पैटर्न मैचिंग का कंसेप्ट कवर किया था. जिन भी स्टूडेंट्स ने मेरी वीडियोस वॉच नहीं की हैं प्लीज़ पैटर्न मैचिंग की वीडियोस वहाँ से वॉच कर लो. एंड टुडे आई विल डिस्कस द कंसेप्ट ऑफ कैरेक्टर फंक्शंस. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस डिस्कस व्हाट आर कैरेक्टर फंक्शंस. कैरेक्टर फंक्शंस होते क्या हैं? Character functions are those functions which are used to perform some operation on characters. Means they are used to work with text data. We can't work with numeric data in character functions. They work only on characters. Characters, for example, on the name, on the product name, on the product category, right? And if we talk about the customer table, so we were working on two tables, products and customers. So if we want to apply character functions on this table, so we can apply on product name category because it is the text data, so we can't apply it on price, right? And same for customers. If you check the data of the customer table, then we apply on first name of the customer, city of the customer. So let us start discussing these functions one by one. I have written the function names to avoid wastage of time. So let us write the queries for these functions. So first function is upper functions. So let us suppose I want to convert all the product names in this table, in the product table, into capital letters. So we have a function name upper. So what is the query for that? How you will write the query? Dear students, always remember that we have to follow the basic syntax of select to write the queries. Like we write select star from product, so we have to just follow the basic syntax for writing any query of displaying your data or retrieving your data. So just little modifications are required. So let us discuss the first query, select. Suppose I want to convert product names to upper, so what I will do, upper function hai, so use brackets with the name of the function. In this brackets you will give the argument. What is the argument? Means column name on which you want to apply that function. So product name, if I write product name from which table? We have products table. So we will write product names from product. So if I write this query, so I will get the output like this. So as you can see, all the product names are displayed in capital letters. But dear students, you can modify the query according to yourself. As you can see here, no column name is written, means the resultant table is not having any column name. So what we will do in this case, we will write as clause and give this table, new table, a new name. So for example, I write new for the resultant table, and if I now execute the query, you can see new is written in the column name. Or it is your choice, you can also display product name with the product name with this capital letters. So to analyze the difference before and after, it says product name incorrect. Have I done any mistake? Oh, I haven't put comma here. So you can see incorrect syntax near product name. So likewise we need to understand the query and then execute. So this was my old table name and this is the new table name. So likewise we will discuss next query, which is lowercase. Lower function. So what is lower function? Now it will convert all your capital letters into the lowercase letters. For example, I will now again write the same query. I will just copy and paste and do the little modifications. I will write here lower, right? Lower, and then I will give the name. Let us try this on the new column which we have applied recently. So will they convert to lowercase letters? Incorrect syntax, new. Yes, because new is just a virtual table, so it is not giving us for new. We can only apply to product name. So product name, as you know that product names are already in lowercase, but L, M, H, C, S in these all products, I mean first letter in all the products is capital. So if I use lower function on the column name product name, then it will give in the small letters. So these are the very basic and easy functions that can be asked in your paper for character functions, upper and lower. Next function is length function. Length function, we can only use len in SQL Server. Length does not work in SQL, so we have to write len for length. Length function, what it will do, it will retrieve the name of the length of all the product names, means it will give you the total length of the product name. So if I write it in the query len, as I will write new length as the column name, so the result will be like this. So laptop is having 6 characters, mobile phone is having 12 characters, headphones is having 10 characters. So what it does, it is counting the length of the characters. So if I see for coffee maker, you can see 6 letters are here and 5 letters are here. So 6 plus 5, 11. So it is giving the result 12. That means it is also counting the space between these two letters. So remember these things. And dear students, in the very beginning I told you that you have to follow this basic query. So आप इस query को इस query से match कर लो, that हमें यही follow करना है. पहले select आएगा, star is representing all the attributes, but we are only fetching some attributes, specific attributes. So we are writing like that product name, then the name of the function, then as clause. अगर आप इसको नहीं भी लिखते हैं तो it is mandatory, it is not mandatory, it is optional. And then from products, तो table नाम जो है वो हमेशा end में आएगा. Then after that substring function, then we have substring function. What it does, suppose I want to extract first 3 letters of the city. City is present in the customer table. So, and in this I have applied on the product name. So let us do the modification, product names. It says extract first 3 letters of the city. So city column is present in my customers table. So I will modify the query accordingly to the customer table. Select city, and substring function will extract the substring from the data. Substring means, जैसे for example अगर मैंने लिखा है मोबाइल फ़ोन, तो अगर मुझे मोबाइल फ़ोन से एक पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है, for example मोबाइल, so that is called substring. Clear? So city पे लगाना है हमें. So name of the column is city. Syntax I am displaying along with every query, so you can check on the right side for the syntax and follow the syntax for writing the queries. Substring city, then it says comma, we have to specify first 3 letters. So we have to give a starting position, that from where we want to extract and till where we want to extract. Then change it to as new city. Now my table name is customers. So I will change the table name to customers. So select city, substring city 1 to 3 as new city from customers. I think there might be an error, so let us check for error if there is any. No error, it was only giving the red line, no error was there. So as you can see, DEL first 3 letters, CHA first 3 letters. So now you can understand what's going on. Suppose I want to extract first 4 letters, so I will modify the query accordingly. So it is giving me 4 letters now, and this is the starting position. 1 is the starting position. If I specify 2 here, then it will start from 2 index. So dear students, these are very simple queries. Do not get confused. Just understand what we need to change. Next is replace category text. Suppose I want to replace any category of product in my product table. Let me show you the first product table category. Suppose I want to replace the category of any product. So how I will write? I will use replace function. रिप्लेस का मतलब क्या होता है, अगर हम जनरल मीनिंग देखें, मुझे एक पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको रिप्लेस करना है किसी अनदर पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट से, राइट. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड रिप्लेस. सो रिप्लेस फंक्शन इज यूज टू रिप्लेस सम पर्टिकुलर थिंग इन द टेबल. सो सपोज मेरे टेबल में है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स and I want to replace it. So I want to apply on the category column, spelling mistake I have done, so yeah, I have to correct category and change the name of the function to replace. And then now inside this replace we have to pass the argument that what value we want to replace. So I want it to apply on category. Now which category I want to replace? I want to replace electronics category. जहाँ जहाँ पे भी मेरे टेबल में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वर्ड है वहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा? सपोज आई वॉन्ट टू फिल इट विद अप्लायंसेस, सो अप्लायंसेस आ जाएगा वहाँ पर. And dear students, it is a string, so please give inverted commas, otherwise your query will not run. So electronics आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे है लैपटॉप, मोबाइल फ़ोन, 2 जगह पे है, 2 जगह पर है, तो यहाँ पर रिप्लेस होना चाहिए. Let us check if it runs. It says invalid column category. Yes, because what mistake I have done, because I have written here customers table, so my category column is in products table, so it is not recognizing. First of all I need to correct the table name. Now it will work. So as you can see, कैटेगरी मैंने पुराना कॉलम लिया ताकि आपको आइडिया हो जाए कि क्या चेंज हुआ. अप्लायंसेस देन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स टू अप्लायंसेस, बाकी चेंजेस वैसे ही रहे. सो रिप्लेस फंक्शन हमारा रिप्लेस कर रहा है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स को अप्लायंसेस के साथ. देन नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इज कॉनकैट फंक्शन. कॉनकैट फंक्शन क्या करता है? कंबाइन करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप लोग लिखते हो अपना फर्स्ट नेम और लास्ट नेम, राइट. सो आप फर्स्ट नेम को लास्ट नेम के साथ कंबाइन करते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं कहूँगी राहुल अरोड़ा. सो राहुल इज द फर्स्ट नेम एंड अरोड़ा इज द लास्ट नेम. सो आई वॉन्ट टू कंबाइन, कॉनकैटिनेट. सो कंबाइन मीन्स कॉनकैटिनेशन. सो फॉर दैट आई हैव कॉनकैट फंक्शंस. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इट डजेंट मैटर वेदर आप फंक्शन का नाम कैपिटल लिख रहे हो या फंक्शन का नाम आप स्मॉल लिख रहे हो. मैटर क्या करता है? मैटर करता है कि आप फंक्शन के नेम को करेक्ट लिखो, ठीक है. आप फंक्शन के नेम को करेक्ट लिखो, दैट मैटर्स ओनली. सो कॉनकैट है. सो लेट अस सपोज आई अप्लाई ऑन द फर्स्ट नेम एंड सिटी. अब हम कस्टमर टेबल की बात कर रहे हैं तो हमें यहाँ पर लेना पड़ेगा फर्स्ट नेम, देन आई हैव टू टेक सिटी एंड देन आई यूज़ फंक्शन नेम, that is concat. एंड यहाँ पे मुझे चेंजेस करने हैं. कॉनकैट करना किसको है मुझे? आई वॉन्ट टू कॉनकैट फर्स्ट नेम एंड लास्ट नेम. सो फर्स्ट नेम एंड सिटी विच इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द कस्टमर टेबल. इन्वर्टेड कॉमा सिटी फ्रॉम कस्टमर्स टेबल. एंड यहाँ पे एरर है बिकॉज मैंने यहाँ पे इन्वर्टेड कॉमा नहीं दिया. यहाँ पे भी इन्वर्टेड कॉमा आई हैव टू गिव. सो दिस इज हाउ वी यूज कॉनकैट फंक्शन. सो लेट अस चेक इफ इट इज गिविंग द करेक्ट रिजल्ट. येस, नो, इट इज नॉट गिविंग मी द करेक्ट रिजल्ट. What mistake I have done? Concat city. I need to apply it on first name and city. Any mistake I have done? कुछ गलती करी है आई गेस मैंने. ओके, लेट अस चेंज हियर. मैंने इन्वर्टेड कॉमा कर दिया शायद, तो वो प्रिंट कर रहा है उसको. लेट अस चेक, मॉडिफिकेशन करेंगे. यस, नाउ यू कैन सी आरती इज फ्रॉम दिल्ली, कोमल फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़, Ravi is from Ahmedabad, Sneha is from Bangalore and Ankit is from Jaipur. So students, यहाँ पे इन्वर्टेड कॉमा पुट करने का मतलब क्या है कि जो फर्स्ट नेम और सिटी है उसके बीच में स्पेस आए. सपोज मुझे यहाँ पे चाहिए कोई लेटर, सो हम लेटर लिख देंगे इस तरह से. So it is saying Aarti from Delhi, right? So likewise you can get the results. And अगर आप inverted comma नहीं put करते हो तो आंसर कैसे आएगा? Without space. So इस तरह से आप modify कर सकते हो. So concatenating is combining two column names. Next one is char index. And yes students, please always remember that you need to practice. Until and unless you will not practice, you will not get the queries at the one go. So next is char index. Char index function will return the position of letter A in the product name. Find the position of letter A in product name. If I want to find the position of any character in the table, then we use char index. For example, आप class में बैठते हो, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4 which tells us your position at your seat. So वैसे ही char index हमें बताता है कौन सा letter कौन सी position पर है table में. For example, I need to write char index function name and I want to ask the position of A in the table. So I will write like this, A, and apply it on product name. Product name. There is some error in this. Let us check. Char index is giving the position of A in the product name, but it is giving same result for all the customers. So I need to check it again. I need to recheck it again. Product table. No, it is giving the incorrect answer. I need to correct it. I need to cross check it. No problem. I will discuss it in the next video. And replace and reverse I will also discuss in the next video, because I will also add more functions. So I will create part 2 for these functions also. So I think that is all for this video, and we will cover next functions in the next video. And replace and reverse I will cover in the next video, or you can also practice yourself. And char index I will again cross check that what error it is giving to us. And that is all for this video. Thank you. And if you like my video, please share and subscribe it.